Hey guys, Factory 3D here again, and today I bring to you a barrel of Donkey Kong. You know what's Donkey Kong? When you kid play Donkey Kong probably game, and this is a barrel of Donkey Kong. So we're gonna glue everything together, and in the end you're gonna see the result. All right, leave your like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you wanna see in the next video. Hey guys, this is the finished barrel. Have a look. Let me know what you think about it. It's very nice, is it? It's fit the Donkey Kong inside. Ooh. Yeah. So that's very big. You can use as a bin or anything like that. You know, office stuff. You can put stuff inside. Very nice. All right. If you like the video, subscribe. Leave your follow. Leave your like and comment in the bottom below, so let me know what we want to see in the next video. All right, in the next video as well, we got this Sonic already, and probably already saw that in the videos we got there. It's not like these ones, but yeah, you can see the time lapse and everything. And we're doing the next video, we're gonna do this yellow Sonic here. All right, so like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see, and comment. All right, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
You didn't have to